Hi guys, it's Raya again. Well, papasok kami ng Daiso, nakita namin itong bunch of gachapon. Ito sa Japan guys, mga malls, markets, etc. Marami kang makikitang gachapon corner. While looking at this corner guys, one caught our attention. And this is the Casio watch toy guys. But the size guys is not for your wrist but for your finger. Walang patumpik-tumpik guys. Hulog agad kami ng 400 yen. So let's see kung ano ang ating makukuha dito. As you can see on the photo guys, it has 6 option na pwede mong makukuha. Ayan, i-open namin siya agad and hope nice color yung makukuha namin. So let's see kung ano yung nabunot natin guys. And nahihirapan pa siya buksan yung ball. So ayan, finally na-open na rin and let's see what's inside. Wow, it's very cute guys. It's color black. Ang astig guys, may stand pa siya, may lalagayan. Parang totoong relo talaga guys, but it's not moving. Toy nga diba, charot? After that guys, hinanap namin yung basurahan ng capsule but nowhere to found, so inuwi na lang namin siya. Yun lang guys, if you want more videos, just follow my page guys and like, subscribe, share. Thank you. Bye.